Hi all, I'm Raman Gupta, continuing my series on Sitecore Docker development. In this video, we will see how to build Sitecore Docker images. For that, first of all, make sure you have a valid Sitecore license XML file and it should be placed under any folder, for example, C license folder. Now, we will be run the inet.ps1 PowerShell script. Before that, let's quickly see what this script will do. This will populate the environment file with this variable. First of all, make sure that you have a strong password for SQL admin, or you can use a script to generate the random strong password. So we are going to use this script to generate a random password. By default, this script comes with a less strong password, which is Sitecore 12345, which can cause issue later. So you can either hard code the strong password, or you can use this script to populate the environment file with a strong password. Other than that, the script will install Sitecore Docker tool, which will contain various CMDLET to support Docker-based Sitecore development. Also, it will generate HTTPS certificate using mkcerts and add window host file entries. So in the environment file, you can see these variables are empty, which are going to populate using this PowerShell script. Now open the Windows PowerShell in admin mode, and for that just cd to the Sitecore Docker folder and run inet ps1 command. So cd here and run inet ps1 command, replacing the Sitecore license path with the path of your Sitecore license. Oops, there is an error coming. Seems like I forgot to remove the comma after the comments. So let's correct that. Remove this comma, save this file and run this command again. So while this command is running, so for the first time it might take few minutes to run because it is going to install few software. So first of all, it is installing Sitecore PowerShell gallery. Then it will install Sitecore Docker tools. And then mkcerts will get installed to install the HTTPS certificates. Then it will populate the .env file and it will do the host entries in the window host entry folder. Once all these tasks are done, now we will go to the environment file and we will see whether all the variables are populated. So go to env file and see all those variables which were empty earlier are now populated. Now we will build the Docker images. For that, go to Sitecore PowerShell and run this command docker build. For here we are using XM topology. You can use XP0 or XP1 as well by using the respective compose. Once images are built, we are going to see those images in Docker for desktop. So for that, just open Docker for desktop tool and see whether all these images are downloaded. So first of all, here in the containers tab, you will see there are no containers because we have not fired up any container yet. Then go to images tab and you will see all these Sitecore base images as well as the custom images that we have built on top of that are downloaded here. Now let's fire up the container using docker compose -d command. -d is basically for the detached mode. So for the very first time, it is going to take a few minutes, from 8 to 40 to 45 minutes. So be patient once it is making these containers up. Once all these containers are up, or basically we need to go to Docker for desktop again and see the container status. So go to Docker for desktop And in the images tab you can see all those images which are in use to make this container up. And then in the containers tab, if you will go, you will see container that is right now up. So this custom images container is up, which is going to use these nodes. Now let's open the Visual Studio Code again, and there we can see or analyze the data folder. So in the data folder you will see logs are generated for the live logs are getting generated for the containers that are right now up. So you can see CM logs or CD logs. Also in other folders like MS SQL or Solar, in Solar you can see the cores that are getting generated, and in MS SQL you can see basically all the MDF and LDF files. So in this folder you can see all these cores, Solar edited cores. In the traffic folder you can see all the search related informations, the PFX files and the configurations. Deploy folder right now is empty because we have not deployed anything yet. We'll going to discuss this in our next part. Now let's grab the CM host URL and open the browser. We'll try to navigate to the Sitecore. So paste the CM URL with /sitecore in it, and then we are going to enter the admin username and password. This. Meanwhile it is opening, just grab the CD URL as well from the environment file and open that in another tab. You can explore the Sitecore CMS or the CM URL as well, the content editor. In the CD URL you can see that whatever customization we have done is now here. It means we have successfully containerized our Sitecore solution. We have basically modified this file, we have deployed this and built our custom images, and it is now visible on the CD website. So that's it. We will see how to do the development and further troubleshooting in the next part. Till then, thank you.